without you. I remember myself, my name, forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
Guys, what is up? DC is right back again after a very long, stressful week, guys. So, yup, here again we have the Hot Wheels unboxing. So, yup, this time over here I got a very special car. That's the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster, guys. This is one of the amazing cars. Like, most of the people want it as a dream, and of course the kids always want the Lamborghini Reventon in their bedroom wallpaper, including me, because I'm a big fan of Lamborghinis. So yup, it has got 2 out of 5 in HW Roadster, which is not remarkably good, but still it's fine. So yup, and one more thing, guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram. So yup, let's unbox this thing and take a round look and talk about it, and then we'll go for the information. So yup, here it comes. First, let's start off with the unboxing. Guys, take a look at this car. It's truly amazing. Like the green, the lush green, it's totally awesome. Wow, this car looks so cool, guys. And of course the dazzling wheels on this car, like when they move, it kind of like lights up. It feels like they're neons or something. And of course the green paint with the goldish shine over it, it's truly cool. Like, it's amazing. And of course the detailing of the lights and the logo of the Lamborghini, it's done pretty much well. And the windscreen too, it's pretty much clear. You can see the detailing of the interior too. And the rear is actually nothing much special. You have the Lamborghini logo with the exhaust printed in kind of black. And of course the lights are two glass, and if you come up to the front, they're just the headlamps are just printed. Well, yup, what else can I say about this magnificent car? Like, it's truly amazing. So there's only one thing to do, just head to the information. So yup, guys, let's move on to its information. Here it comes. So yup, guys, coming up to the information about this beautiful looking Lamborghini Reventon Roadster right here. Why don't we start off with the production? The production actually began in 2007 and sadly ended at 2009. I don't know why did they stop this beautiful looking car. Well, talking about the body style is actually a 2-door convertible. Well, going up to the engine, guys, the engine is actually a 6.5 liter V12, which is actually from the Lamborghini Murcielago. It's quite identical right there. So yup, coming up to the transmission, guys, the transmission is actually a 6-speed e-gear sequential semi-automatic gearbox, which is, yup, it's quite good. You know, the paddle shifters, yup. Well, talking about the horsepower of this car is 670 horsepower, which is seriously amazing. Well, talking about the length is actually 4,700 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the width is 2,058 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the 0-60, guys, the best part, almost the best part. It does it in 3.4 seconds, which is quite identical to the Ferrari F30. Yep, quite identical. Well, talking about the top speed, all the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is 205 miles per hour, which makes it much slower than the coupe. Well, the coupe does 221 miles per hour. It's almost 16 miles per hour less. Well, most probably people will go for the hardtop. Yep, guys, well, time about the price. Major people gather up here. The price of this car is actually $1.5 million. I mean, you have to invest some serious money if you want to have this car in your garage. And of course, its maintenance too. Well, coming up to the last part, guys, that is the special facts. So, yup, here it is, the special facts. Let's see what's it got. Well, guys, here it tells that the official press release stated that only 20 vehicles would be sold to the public. Only 20 of these cars would be sold to the public, guys. Just think about it. Only 20. And actually, there's one more too that will be kept in the museum. So there's in total 21 Lamborghini Reventon Roadsters in this world. Can you even believe that? That's truly amazing. Like, oh my god, like this car is legendary. So, yep, guys, as I've ended up all the information and all the looks about this car, like talking about it, you know what to do if you are new. And also for my old beloved subscribers right there, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week with another car, guys. So, yup, I'll see you around. Till then, stay tuned, and bye-bye now.